Are you planning your next camping adventure and need the perfect table to enhance your outdoor experience? Whether you're setting up a cozy camp kitchen or just need a spot for meals and games, having a reliable camping table is crucial. In this video, we're diving into the 7 best camping tables available today, each offering unique features to suit different needs. Let's explore these options to find the ideal table for your outdoor excursions. At the first position of our list, we have Coleman Compact Roll-Top Aluminum Camping Table. Stands out with its lightweight and durable design, making it an excellent choice for those who value portability. The table features a roll-top design, which allows for easy setup and takedown. The aluminum top ensures durability and stability while remaining easy to clean, making it ideal for outdoor use. The table's frame is constructed from sturdy aluminum, which provides a robust structure without adding unnecessary weight. This material choice enhances the table's longevity, ensuring it can handle rough terrains and regular use. Additionally, the compact size of the table when packed away makes it convenient to store and transport, fitting effortlessly into most car trunks or camping gear. In terms of usability, the Coleman table is designed for quick assembly. The roll-top feature enables users to set up their table in just a few minutes without the need for tools. It supports a decent weight capacity, making it suitable for various camping needs, from meal prep to car games. Overall, the Coleman Compact Roll-Top Aluminum Camping Table offers a practical solution for campers seeking a combination of portability, durability, and ease of use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Moving on to the next at number 2. iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table is an excellent choice for those who prioritize weight savings without compromising on performance. This table is engineered for ultralight backpacking, featuring a collapsible design that packs down to a very compact size. Despite its lightweight nature, the table boasts a robust aluminum frame that supports substantial weight. The design of the iClimb table incorporates a mesh center that allows for quick drainage, which is particularly useful for outdoor dining. The aluminum top is both strong and easy to clean, ensuring that food spills and messes can be dealt with effortlessly. The folding mechanism is intuitive, allowing for rapid setup and takedown. One of the standout features of this table is its exceptional portability. It is designed to fit into a small carry bag, which can be easily attached to a backpack. This makes it an ideal option for hikers and backpackers who need a reliable table that doesn't add unnecessary bulk. Overall, the iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table is a great choice for those who need a lightweight yet durable table for their outdoor adventures. Coming in at number 3 is the VILLEY Portable Camping Side Table. Is designed with convenience and versatility in mind. This ultralight aluminum table is perfect for those who need a compact and portable solution for outdoor activities. The table's aluminum construction offers a blend of durability and lightweight performance, making it easy to transport and set up. The table features a foldable design that allows for quick assembly and disassembly. Its compact size when folded makes it easy to store in a car or carry in a backpack. Despite its small footprint, the VILLEY table provides ample surface area for various uses, including dining, gaming, and holding gear. Durability is a key feature of this table. The aluminum top and frame are designed to withstand the riders of outdoor use, ensuring that the table can handle different terrains and conditions. Additionally, the VILLEY table's ease of setup and portability make it an excellent choice for camping, picnicking, and other outdoor activities. Overall, this table combines practicality with durability, making it a valuable addition to any camping gear collection. The next at number 4 we have Grope Small Folding Camping Table is an ideal option for those who need a compact and sturdy table for their outdoor adventures. This table features an aluminum top that provides a durable and easy-to-clean surface, perfect for various outdoor activities. The table's design focuses on simplicity and functionality, ensuring that it meets the needs of campers without adding unnecessary complexity. The folding mechanism of the Grope table is straightforward, allowing for quick setup and takedown. The table's compact size when folded makes it easy to store and transport, fitting into most car trunks or camping gear. Despite its small size, the table offers a stable surface for dining and other uses. One of the notable aspects of the Grope table is its durability. The aluminum top and frame are designed to withstand outdoor conditions, making it a reliable choice for different terrains. Additionally, the table's lightweight design ensures that it can be carried easily, making it suitable for a range of outdoor activities. Overall, the Grope small folding camping table provides a practical and durable solution for campers who need a reliable table without compromising on portability. The number 5 position is held by Portal Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table. Offers a versatile and convenient solution for outdoor dining and activities. This table is designed with a focus on stability and ease of use. Its aluminum top provides a durable and easy-to-clean surface, while the folding design allows for quick setup and takedown. The table features a sturdy frame that supports a significant amount of weight, making it suitable for various camping needs. The foldable design ensures that the table can be easily transported and stored, fitting into most camping setups. The inclusion of a carry bag adds an extra level of convenience, making it easy to bring the table along on outdoor adventures. Durability is a key feature of the Portal table. The aluminum top and frame are built to withstand the demands of outdoor use, ensuring that the table remains stable and reliable. Additionally, the table's design includes features that enhance usability, such as adjustable legs for uneven terrain. Overall, the Portal Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table combines stability, durability, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for various outdoor activities. Number 6 position is dominated by Sportneer Folding Camping Table. Stands out with its adjustable height feature, offering added flexibility for different camping scenarios. This table is designed with a focus on adaptability and convenience. The aluminum top provides a durable and easy-to-clean surface, while the adjustable legs allow users to set the table at their preferred height. The table's folding design ensures that it can be quickly set up and taken down, making it easy to transport and store. The adjustable height feature is particularly useful for accommodating different uses, such as dining, working, or playing games. The table's sturdy frame supports a substantial amount of weight, ensuring stability and reliability. In terms of durability, the Sportneer table is built to withstand outdoor conditions. The aluminum top and frame are designed for rugged use, making it suitable for various terrains. Additionally, the table's adjustable height feature enhances its versatility, allowing it to be used in a range of settings. Overall, the Sportneer Folding Camping Table offers a practical and adaptable solution for campers who need a table that can adjust to different needs. Finally, the number 7 position is held by MSSOHKAN Camping Table. Is a versatile and portable option for outdoor enthusiasts. This folding table is designed with a focus on practicality and ease of use. The aluminum top provides a durable surface that is easy to clean, while the folding design ensures that the table can be quickly assembled and disassembled. The table's frame is constructed from robust materials that offer stability and durability. Despite its sturdy construction, the table remains lightweight and easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for camping and other outdoor activities. The compact size when folded makes it easy to store and transport, fitting into most camping gear. One of the key features of the MSSOHKAN table is its versatility. It can be used for a variety of purposes, from dining to holding gear. The table's design includes features that enhance its usability, such as a stable frame and a surface that can withstand outdoor conditions. Overall, the MSSOHKAN camping table provides a practical and reliable solution for those in need of a portable and durable table for their outdoor adventures. Choosing the right camping table can significantly enhance your outdoor experience, offering convenience and functionality for various activities. Each of the tables we reviewed provides unique features tailored to different needs, from ultralight options for backpackers to adjustable tables for added versatility. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect table for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite camping gear.